Hi, my name's Brett, and this is Guitarincrease. And in this video, I want to share how I was not able to play bar chords when I first started playing guitar, and I made up an exercise that helped me, and now today I can play any bar chord. So that's probably the hardest bar chord is the F major chord. Unless you know of a harder one to play, let me know in the comments and I'll check that one out. But I think that's the hardest one. So for some reason that's the one that guitar lessons usually teach you first. And so I was not able to play that. And I started to think of the guitar as kind of like, you know, I'm using muscles. So it's almost like I'm an athlete, and a bodybuilder would not try to lift like 10,000 pounds. Actually, I don't think any bodybuilder would ever do that, but a bodybuilder would not try to lift 500 pounds. The first day they start working out, they would start with like 5 pounds or something and then work their way up. And so I found out that the easiest place on the guitar to play, in my opinion, is obviously on the skinnier strings and higher up the neck. So I found a really comfortable place for me was around here. For you it might be here, but somewhere around here. Get a comfortable place on the guitar. It doesn't really matter as long as you're comfortable. And on the high E string, do a tiny little like 5-pound bar chord with just the first 2 strings like this. So just that first finger. So that's probably the easiest bar chord in the world. And if you can do that one, then you can go on to the harder chords. And it's just going to get harder from here. So I figured, hey, why don't I do all 4 fingers to strengthen them as well? So I did something like this. And I found the pinky was probably the hardest one to do. But since I'm on the easiest spot on the guitar, it wasn't really that hard. So once you get that down, then move on to the next in difficulty, which is you just add the G string and do 3 notes. Just like that, and then do all 4 fingers. And if you're trying this out right now, you'll feel it. It's like you feel like you're stretching, or you feel like you're warming up. Like if you've ever lifted weights, it's like you're doing a really light set and you're feeling really good. You're also building confidence, which this channel is all about Guitarincrease and increasing not only your ability to play guitar, but your confidence. Once you've mastered that, then add another string. Okay, it's starting to get more challenging, and if you're having trouble doing this, that's okay, because if you do this exercise every day, you'll find it'll get easier and easier as you go. So once you get that down, then you can add another string. So obviously the next step is to use all 6 strings, which is pretty challenging. Okay, if you can do that, you are almost there. Now all you got to do is make it a little harder. Move down the neck, go lower. And as you build strength in your fingers and build this skill, you'll find one day that you can do this. So that's how I learned how to play bar chords, and I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has been, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Actually, I won't see you, but you know, I'll see your comment if you write one. Thank you.